In this presentation, I'll be showing you how we can visually track progress of a student by comparing a grade in the exam with their target grade. The first thing we need to do is actually calculate some results to actually get some grades. To do this, I'll be using the sum function and the VLOOKUP function. Sum function calculates the total, so equals sum, open brackets. Right, like that. Click on the cell, hold down shift, click here, close brackets, and that calculates the sum. Now you want to work out the percentage. Okay, so we work out the previous cell, so equals 4 divided by the total, which in this case is 24, and then we want to times it by 100. And that gives us the percentage 88. Now we want to look at the grades. To do this, I've copied and pasted the grades from the May exam results 2016. And when doing this, I put the lowest grades to the highest grades going down the sheet. And this is very important when you use the VLOOKUP function, so make sure you do this. Instead of putting A star, I put a plus. The reason is A star sort of doesn't quite work with Excel, whereas A plus does. Very simple. Equals the lookup, open brackets. Now I want to compare this cell, comma, with the range of cells. By clicking here, holding down shift and clicking at the bottom right, these are the table array that we want to compare our results with. Now if you press F4, what that does, it locks these. Every time I copy and paste this formula into, say, this row, it will always compare that result with this set of grade boundaries. Now we can obviously go in and we can just sort of delete, and we can change accordingly what we want to compare. Like I've done here. I want to go out to B. And when you press comma, now you want to choose the column that you want to compare the percentages with. So I want to compare these percentages, grade, so the second column, to column 2, close brackets. And you can see here, the grades have been inserted, 88% is indeed A+. Highlight all this, bottom right hand corner, click, drag, billboard formatting, you can see the grade manager in there again. So what I want to do is the second test. So again, very quickly, insert the sum, hold down shift, close, percentage, insert. Divide by the total number of marks, which is 41, and 100. Now I want to use the same grade boundaries. So to do that, click on the cell one, previous cell, copy, right click, paste, so paste formula, and you can see the grade boundary changes. Yep, 73% is indeed A. Again, highlight, down to the bottom right, click, drag, billboard formatting. Now once you've calculated all the grades, actually it's not very easy to read. And sometimes you want to add a little bit of colour to make it easier to track progress and see where students are making lots of progress or not making as much progress. Now on Excel this is actually quite complicated to do and it's not very easy. I'm going to show you a few steps on what to do. Now if you follow what I'm about to tell you, it will make your life a lot easier, and more in particular you'll be able to copy and paste formulas again and again and again, and you'll always be able to compare the results with the target grade. So first and foremost, you need to name some cells. So going back down to your grade boundaries, you need to name some cells. Go back down to the grade boundaries, highlight the cells you want to name. In this case, it's these. Top left, click in and type grades. Right, done that. Now we need to do some conditional formatting. Click on the one you want to conditional format first. Conditional formatting, manage rules. Now we need to insert some new rules. Down here, I've put the formulas that you need to copy and paste in. But when you do that, you need to set them up so they are in this order. And there's a particular reason for that. So, new rule. New rule. Use formulas to determine. Equals. Match. Open brackets. Dollar sign. I need to make sure we get the right cell here. And it's going to be H4. H4. Comma. Grades. 0. Close brackets. +1. Less than. And there's a reason for that, because in Excel it treats letters and numbers differently. Match. open brackets. Sorry, I made a mistake here. H4 needs to be the target one, the first one here. So in this case, it's going to be B4. H4 grades 0. We want to format that. We want to put that in as purple. Okay. And where do we want these cells to apply to? We actually want them to apply to from this cell to that cell. Okay. New rule. Again, use formula to determine. Equals match. Open brackets. $sign. And then B4 grades 0 close brackets. Less than match. Open brackets. H4 grades 0 close bracket. Okay. Select that there. Edit rule. Format that. I want to give that a nice dark colour. That's okay. Keep on going. Type in all the formulas I've got down here and arrange them so they're in this order. Do that. Click on formula and you click down and up accordingly. Okay, now once you've typed up all the formulas, you put them in the correct order, all you have to simply do is press apply. Okay, and all the cells have changed colours. And we can check that out. Okay, because I said that emerald green is one above target. Yes, yes. Orange is below target. Yes, yes. D is red is 2 below. Yeah. And then purple, they have a purple patch, and then 2 above, yes. Now, how do we copy and paste the conditional formatting? Very simple. Highlight the cells. Top left, format painter, click once, icon changes, click, and again, cells change, and yes, all completely correct. And that is how you use conditional formatting to track progress of grades against target grade.